Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $12,000 per month in profit as an affiliate starting your own supplement business online. Now, first of all, you don't have to own your supplement, right? You are just an affiliate, but you are focused only on the supplements, right? So let me go straight into it now. Right now, I'm going to show you which network you can use to make these kind of results. So as you can see, I'm on clickbank.com, right? And we have different supplements. So you can see over here this page, right? We have health and fitness category. Now what you can do is you can see over here, right? This Alpilean, right? This ClickBank supplement is proven to work. As you can see over here, right? The initial conversion, so it means how much you can get per sale, it's $135 US, right? Now, first of all, I want to tell you this. If you're watching this video, right, and your goal is to make $10,000 or more per month with affiliate marketing on ClickBank, having your own supplement business online, is you have to remember this, right? The first thing is, this is not for you if you are not tech savvy, right? So it means that you don't have to worry if you don't have any kind of technical experiences, okay? You don't have to be tech or IT expert to do these kind of things, because I am not. The second thing is, right, you don't have to be worried about if you don't want to take too much risk, right? Because if you want to start your own company, you know there are thousands of dollars you have to invest upfront, tens of thousands, right, to start something like that. Here you don't have to, so it's minimal risk. And if, of course, if you want to avoid all the scams online. Another thing is you don't have to be overwhelmed by the intense competition in the market if you're using the method that I'm going to show you. And the next thing is, right, if you are not ready to invest time and money without seeing a return on investment, right? So this is not for you. Now, if you really want to make change, let's go straight into it, right? The first thing you need to do, and what you need, is mini website, a landing page, right? So this is where people are coming. It's like a small coffee shop, right? People are coming there, right, to look and buy products. So first thing is mini website, and then we need traffic. Traffic are audiences of people, eyeballs who come to your page. And I'm going to show exactly, step by step, how you need to properly position your page to get results and to avoid all the stress and headaches that come with it. So you can be a professional, right, and do this correctly. And the next thing you need is a market map. Now, those are those three things that you can certainly make at least $10,000 per month. Now, what you need is proven product, right? Proven product. And not using a pre-sale page or a landing page or a mini website is like hating money. Do you hate money? Because if you hate money, then you will not use the pre-sale page or landing page in a way, or proven way, that I'm going to show you right now. Here, as you can see, right, this is the landing page, a mini website. Now, what most people make a mistake with, for example, let me show you here. Let's say that I'm promoting this supplement, right? I'm promoting supplements online. Now, what most people will do, most amateurs, most people on ClickBank, most people who buy courses, who have no idea what they're doing, is they will put some kind of screenshots or photos of a product, right, on the landing page or a mini website, and they think, okay, this is what is going to drive sales, a pretty fancy landing page or a fancy, expensive website. Another misconception or mistake, the deadly mistake that people make, is they just throw a little bit of text on the landing page and then hope and pray it's going to stick, and hope and pray someone going to buy the ClickBank supplement and they're gonna make money. And it doesn't work like that, right? It doesn't work. What is the most important thing is you need to understand emotional level of your audience. Why? Because if you have someone who will guide you through step by step along the way, then you can know, I need to put this kind of copy in my lander, right? Because let me show you this, right? We can have exact same product on ClickBank, like you, me, and another person, right? We three promoting the same product, but you and another person gonna get 0 sales, but I get all the sales. Why? What is the difference? The difference is the message to market match. You see, most of people don't understand how to put correct message in front of the correct audiences of people who are going to buy, right, that product. So very important thing. Now, If you want to make $10,000 per month, you need to understand the math. You need to do simple math. Okay, how many sales do you need in order to make $10,000 per month? You only need 2 sales a day. Only 2 sales a day. As you can see here, right? Let me show you over here. We are on ClickBank, right? $135 per sale. So if you have 2 sales a day, right? Let's say you are making around $270 per day, right? So you need 2.5 sale per day to make $10,000, right? There are millions of people. For example, the traffic source I love to use is Google Ads. Now you don't have to be overwhelmed by that, because what I'm going to show you right now, you make a stop and think about this. Just stop and think about this, right? What I do is I use my own personal one-on-one personal support. As you can see over here, we do a simple Zoom call every week, 2 to 3 times per week. We connect together, we set up these campaigns together, we put ads on Google, for example. Why Google? Because there is the highest buyer's intent, right? There are people who are buyers actually looking to buy products. They have different problems, and we offer them solution for weight loss, for example, using these ClickBank supplements or MaxWeb or any other affiliate private CPA networks out there, right? But it's all about understanding your market on a deeper level, and you don't have to do all the research by yourself. How it works is that we connect together one-on-one. Personally, you get done for your website. We set up all the Google ad campaigns together on a Zoom call or a Skype call, and then you're up and running. So that's how it works, right? 3 simple steps. Now, remember, if you're looking for sales, online, traffic, right, audiences, you just have to take your bucket out, right? Take your bucket, put it in the water, take the water out, and take a little bit of commissions for yourself every single day, right? You can see we have a stream of audience, a stream of people which is already there. We just go out there on Google or Facebook and borrow it, right? So that's how it works. It's very simple once you understand this. But again, most of people are losing money. I'm sure you have tried other courses in the past and it didn't work out. Maybe you tried some coaching and it didn't work out. And the reason why is because you have to understand, right? When you have someone who is in the trenches, in those niches every single day, and understand deeper emotions of people in these audiences, what do they buy? The offers. Why do they go out there and basically buy something, and why some people don't? Then you have a deeper understanding. And again, right, if you want to make $10,000 per month, you only need 2 sales a day. 2 sales a day only. If you make only 1 sale a day, yeah, you're still making $6,000 per month. Now another thing over here is, right, what we can do is we can set up an unstuck session, right? So if you're watching this video, right, you and I can jump on a Skype call or a simple Zoom call, right, and have a deep conversation about what you're trying to achieve, right, and where you're trying to go, what is your end goal, right? So we can see how can I help you, or can we potentially work together, and what is really stopping you to get the result you desire, right? So if you want to get results, if you want to have this stress-free life, and you try to avoid all the headaches that come with running something online, right, and all the ad account shutdown and all the complications, then this is the right thing for you, because we together set it up. You can avoid all the speed bumps along the way, and you can start generating results, right? So as you can see over here, what you can do next is, right, over here, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? You can subscribe here, and all the links, right, to my own phone number, yeah, I'm giving you my phone number, is below in the description under this video. So you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. You can also email me. So subscribe for more tips, and you can find me, as I show you here, you can find me here on my Instagram, right, over here, and you can ask me any questions you want regards to affiliate marketing, like supplements, how you can start and succeed online with profitable methods that actually work with affiliate marketing, right? So you can have these kind of results as you can see over here, right? And the most important thing, you need to be someone who is not procrastinating, right? Who is afraid to take action, right? You have to do something. You have to move forward and take some action. Because let me be honest, right? Why this is so easy for us, for someone like me and you, is because we are smart enough to know that we have to take a little bit of risk sometimes and taking action, right? So you take action, you put your foot in front, then you're gonna be further than most of the people who are just buying courses, sitting like this at home, watching videos and hoping and praying something gonna fall into their lap. And it doesn't work this way. So if you wanna get results with ClickBank, MaxWeb, or any other network out there which is available to you for free, right, to promote, then why not take advantage of that and get an actual help and support so you can move forward? Because let me be honest, how much are you making now? Are you making $10,000 per month or more? If not, then how much not taking action, not having a mentor, it's actually costing you every single month and year? How much? It's costing you over $100,000 that you could be earning every single year, right? Extra, besides your 9-to-5 job that you're not getting right now, right? Maybe you are afraid to invest $5,000 into yourself or $2,000 into yourself, right? Maybe you're afraid, but ask yourself actually, what is the side effect of not taking action, right? Imagine that you could make at least $5,000 per month, only $5,000 per month, right? I'm not even talking about 10,000, just 5,000, only $5,000 extra per month. Let's do a math, that's $60,000 per year, right? Just because you're scared to invest $5,000 into a mentor or $3,000 into a mentor who's gonna help you, you're losing way more money by not taking any action, right? Then that's why people who are smart, just like you watching this video right now, are taking action, right? And doing some work, actually moving forward. So again, if you wanna get results, you know where to find me.